Welcome back to the shop. I was replacing a headlight on my Chevy, and while I was in here I noticed that the light, the engine bay light, no longer works. If I shake it, it will come on sometimes. So I think what's happening is that this is a motion activated hinge or hood light, so that when the hood is stowed down, the light is off, and then when it tips up, it goes on. Similar in principle to or in function as a refrigerator door light, but instead of a button that depresses, there's some sort of a ball that rolls back and forth, and I can hear the ka-chunk of it going on down there. So it's not working right. Let's see if we can take it apart and fix it, or hopefully not fix it to death. We'll see what's going on inside. What I think is going on here is that you can see a slide mark, this mark here where the contact is sliding up and down. As I understand it, this mechanism, when it's in the down position, is going to pull down and away from this, and then when it tips up, it will slide down and make that connection. To simulate how this works, let's see the easiest way to do this. If I add a ground, and I'm going to use this power probe to simulate power and ground, I can go ahead and apply 12 volts or ground depending on which way I press the button. We know the light works. So there's this weighted slide that goes back and forth, and we pointed out that the contacts were dirty. And if I energize this, you'll be able to see the light reflect through. As that slides, hopefully you can see that. I'm energizing a piece of the slide. And as it goes, oh god, I don't know if you can see any of that. So this goes back and forth and effectively becomes the toggle switch. And this spade looking thing is the weight that sort of affects the position of this, whether it is up and connected when the hood is on, or when it's forward when the hood is down, it disconnects that connection there. So I think all I need to do is clean up this connection a little bit better with some sandpaper, and we'll reassemble it. Hopefully it should work. Well, it's not working, but it's probably because I have the bulb in backwards. Okay, so the bulb is in the right orientation now, and when the hood goes down, it will shut off. It's a little finicky, but